Good morning, class. It's Mrs. K. Hall and baby Evelyn here this morning to do our daily number corner for April 2nd. So let's get started. All right, so today is Thursday, April 2nd, 2020. Let's see what we get today. We have a triangle. Here's a triangle right here. Now remember, we're talking about if it is symmetrical. Remember, symmetrical means if we fold it, is it going to be the same on both sides? You want to help, Mama? So let's check and see if it will. I'm going to fold it this way. So it is symmetrical like this, because look, when we fold it apart, it's the same. There we go. It's the same on this side and this side. Let me make this a little bit bigger. Here we go. It's the same on this side as it is on this side. Remember our square yesterday? We were able to fold it in fourths. Are we able to do that here? We are not able to do that here. This is not symmetrical in fourths. It is only symmetrical in halves, in two parts. Do you want to hold that? Oh, thank you. Oh, let's not eat that. Yeah, no, I know, I'm sorry. I forget that we like to eat everything now, huh? All right, let's log that in our calendar grid. All right, let's log that in our calendar grid. Today is April 2nd, 2020. We have a triangle and folds into how many equal parts? Does it fold into exactly 2, at least 4, or 0? We know that it is not 4, it is 2. And is it symmetrical? Our answer is yes. So that means, like, is it congruent on both sides? All right, here we are on our days in school. We had 132 days yesterday, and you guys did a great job doing your equations. I'm just going to scroll down so you can see all of our equations for 132 days. I'm sorry, 132 days. So great job, Austin, Cooper, Cece, Nolan, Hannah, Aubrey, Rowan, Sawyer, Arturo, and McGuire. You guys did awesome. Sawyer did 2 equations, which I thought was fantastic. So nice job, buddy. So some of these are just incredible. Actually, all of these are incredible. So great job, friends. All right. Let's add another day in school. And let's count. We're going to count by 5s today. So count with us. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 65, 70, 75, 80, 85, 90, 95, 100, 105, 110, 115, 120, 125, 130. This is where we stop. And now we count by 1s. 131, 132, 133. So we know that today is 132 days. So let's write that. We have 132 days. And my equation is going to be in the expanded form. So you'll see it when we get down there. Written form, it is 132 days. Oh, you have the remote. Look at you. Are you going to change channel? And think about it. How many hundreds, how many tens, and how many ones are in 132? That's going to be our question for today. How many hundreds, how many tens, and how many ones are in the number 132? So I'll leave that up to you guys to answer for me. And the expanded form. So I'm going to start with my hundreds. I have 100 plus I have 30 and I have 2 extras, and that equals 132. I just realized I made a mistake. So I did yesterday's 132 days. So we'll just finish this out and then we'll do today's for 133. Oops, my bad. So there is 100. So there's 100 plus 3 tens plus 2 ones. So that would be in yesterday's 132 days. Now, let's do today's for 133 days. So it's been 133 days in school. Those 2 days. Written form, it is 133 is the number for today. Now your question is going to be how many hundreds, how many tens, and how many ones are in the number 133. Expanded form is going to be my equation. So let's take a look here. I'm going to look right here. And how many are right here? We know that there are 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. So I'm going to do 100 plus, then I have 10, 20, 30, plus 30, plus, how many, really? How many ones I have? 1, 2, 3, plus 3 more, and that equals 133. So remember your question for today is how many hundreds, tens, and ones are in 133 days? I'll put that in the description so you can see it. Yesterday for our spinning, we got 4 popsicle sticks. Let's see how much we can get today. 5 popsicle sticks. All right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We had 5 more popsicle sticks. So let's add 5 more tallies. I'm going to choose green for today. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4. When we get to 5, excuse me, we put a slash through like this. So that equals 5, 6, 7, oops, I'm sorry, 1, let's do just our green ones for today. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now how many total tally marks do I have? So I know this is 5, and we're going to count on 6, 7, 8, 9. So we can't quite make a bundle yet because we can only make a bundle when we have 10. That is what we can make a bundle with. And we can make a huge bundle when we have 100. But we are just going to work on getting to 10 right now. Here is our schedule for today. Today is Thursday, April 2nd, 2020. 20 minutes of reading on your own, 15 minutes with a partner. You can use Epic, you can use Books at Home. Remember, a partner could be a parent, it could be a sibling, sister, brother, or even a pet. And if you don't have access to those, or you just want to read to a stuffed animal, you can read to a stuffed animal too. Continue working on your book from yesterday using Pebble Go. I'm really excited to see what animal you choose to write about. And math, we have page 75 and 76 in our packet. Let me scroll to those, 75 and 76. Oh, here we are. Okay, here's 75. 3D shape hunt. You are going on a 3D shape hunt around your house. All you have to do is search for things that are shaped like cubes, spheres, cylinders, and rectangular prisms or boxes. And use drawings or words in each box to show and tell what you found. Happy hunting. This is so exciting. Here are some things I found that are shaped like cylinders. So what did you find that's shaped like a cylinder? Shaped like a rectangular prism? Shaped like a sphere? And shaped like a cube. I'm excited to see which ones you find in your home. Make sure that you have mom or dad take a picture of this and then send it to me, either on email or through our Facebook group. And here is page 76. Use some of the 3D shapes you found to build new shapes and creations. If you have Legos or building blocks or something new, build something new with them. Draw pictures of your creation on the sheet and ask someone to take a picture of them to share with the class. And if you want to share that picture on our Facebook group, that would be fantastic. So let's head back to our plans for today. Watch the number corner video that you are doing right now, so great job. And no phonics for today. work on Quaver's music if you would like to. Not a requirement, but if you would like to, you are more than welcome to. Also Dreambox for today. If you guys have any questions, please feel free to send me a message. Have a great Thursday. And just a reminder that, there's Evelyn, that next week there is no school on Friday. So Friday is just going to be a no school day. I will send out the schedule for next week tomorrow. So have a great Thursday and happy learning. Say bye, Evelyn. Say bye. Say bye. We're getting there. Bye, guys.